First introduced in 1962, the Fashions on the Field is the ultimate Australian style contest and an iconic fixture of the Melbourne Cup Carnival. I'm Emma Bond and I'm excited to share with you the design process for my look. Australian fashion is responsible. We are known for our craftsmanship and considered design. My work is completely free from plastic. Made of only biologically circular materials, the garment can feed into regenerative systems, like the Circular Cotton Farming Project. I intentionally haven't used any fabric blends or fasteners which hinder garment recyclability and compostability. The design is cleverly made so that the muse may have 3 looks. You can alter the neckline with the pearl fastener or flip and wear in reverse. I design with multiple styling options so that you get more wear, keeping our materials and designs in use for longer. My final design is styled with Australian-made millinery by Lauren J. Ritchie, and the bag is Australian-made also by Glow Mesh. The shoes are vintage, sourced from a charity shop, and I chose to include Australian cotton wearables to celebrate our local cotton industry, leaders of sustainable cotton production. I've been inspired by Australian fashion and the Flemington Rose Garden. I view Australian fashion as a collaboration of the hard work, resilience, creativity, and commitment of both primary producers and textile industry. My design process starts with the fibre. Soft, breathable, hypoallergenic, incredibly versatile. That's cotton. And we source Australia's finest. I'm here on Glenn and Julianne's farm, Australian Super Cotton. Glenn Rogan and his family grow the most luxurious, long staple cotton produced in Australia, and it's grown on an EcoBiz certified farming operation. The long fibre makes for a softer and more durable fabric. For these reasons, it is my favourite to work with for wedding gowns and special occasion pieces. Glenn prides himself on sustainable and regenerative farming practices. He has a carbon-positive farming system. I'm always looking for creative ways to reuse and upcycle. Inspired by the roses of Flemington, I decided to literally include roses in my design process. I've been saving the spent roses from my garden for some time, and my family's avocado waste, the peel and the stones. I use these items to naturally dye my fabric. I simmered these ingredients separately and then carefully strained to remove the plant residue, leaving only the colouring. I then carefully submerged the fabric and stirred consistently. The avocado is really important in the dyeing process, as it's the natural dye fixative. After dyeing, both of these materials can be added to the compost, serving as food for new organisms. Thank you to the Victorian Race Club for encouraging our nation to put our most fashionable foot forward and to celebrate the craft of our local designers and milliners.